Great.
And then Business Suite.
And do you have, just quick question for you.
Sure.
Are you're on a regular like Windows computer, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's interesting. Like Facebook, some people have access to Business Suite, some don't. Like it doesn't matter if they're on Mac or.
Oh, wow.
You can hit the next on it.
Yeah, and actually I've used, the stats a lot to like, how it shows you like similar businesses and their post reach that week and whatnot. And I always see 50-50 on there and I'm like, oh, I have so many followers. Okay, do you want me to click next through here? Yeah.
Or you can hit the X on it.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, because I'll show you. So then, Business Suite's going to pull everything in based off of your profile. So like, I think you probably know how to switch profiles in here. So you're not posting.
Yeah, I can look at, oh, this is my new asset, I guess, that I haven't. Oh no, that's an older page I had for just Coach Tracy Cycling that I was like, hey, this is part of the hub now. So yeah, I actually haven't linked my Coach Tracy route to here, but as you can see, I have Adventure East in here as well. So
yeah, if you want to go to the hub one.
Yeah, the one we were just on.
And then hit the create post button in the middle. All right, so this is how stuff's going to work. On the left side, you see where it says text?
Yeah.
In there, this is where you have like your base copy in there. So we've talked about in repurposing, or if we haven't, we're going to get into that some more, where you create like your base copywriting that you're using, and then you customize it a little bit for each platform based off of it.
Oh, I see. So this is just like.
So like, just write a sentence, like anything, like this is a test for. You don't have to spell it properly, no worries.
Oh.
Great. Yeah, so that's awesome. The other thing you have to do, you just have to add an image to this. So like on that left side below text, it says media and add photo. So just click on it, just add a photo. It doesn't matter what it is.
Wonder Woman face bombing.
Great. So got it. Now in the middle is where we're going to start to customize things. So we did the base content on the left side. In the middle, once we talk about hashtags more, it's 4 to 8 hashtags for Facebook. So this is where you click below where it says bootcamp, and then do space, or sorry, enter. And then you'd add hashtags in here. So just do like a hashtag, anything, yeah, test.
Yeah.
Great. So now, we've decided this is great. The copy for Facebook is in here. Now we click on Instagram. So now we customize Instagram. So now we go after the bootcamp, return. And we add our 30 hashtags in here, or add more emojis to it, or whatever we decided we're doing to customize off of the Instagram platform in here. And that's great. So we created the base content on the left side. We've customized the content on the right side.
Oh, I see. Yeah, because I can like say test, but that won't be included in the Facebook.
Yeah.
Bubble. So it's kind of like speaking to different audiences. Does it matter? Because I typically just post the same thing.
Yeah, it doesn't matter writing wise. Except the thing that matters, and you can see it here, is that you got to get your hook in the first 125 characters.
Yeah.
Because it gets to that more button. And so if you didn't get there fast enough with what you're trying to get to in there, that they won't see it. So that's the only thing I'd say. I think you're going to do that anyways as you're learning this course and creating that hook. In general, is that it's really important for the Instagram one that you get in the first 125 characters, that reason why they should continue.
Yeah, I've noticed that in Instagram, and I've actually been happy about how my hooks are coming through because a lot of times I'll capitalize them,
Yeah,
not always, but my hooks tend to be, I want people to be like, wait, what? And have something like a little controversial, like,
yeah,
um, don't lose weight, and then it would be like, wait, what? And like, don't ever try to lose weight, right? Because this is actually what I'm thinking for my next post.
yeah,
And then that's all I want them to see. And then I want them to click more, and it'll be, like, because what matters first is how you feel and your energy levels and da da da. And if you eat well, then you might lose weight or your body composition will improve as a side effect, kind of
yeah,
thing, and just make that super snackable. But
yes.
yeah, so thank you. Sorry, I'm going on a tangent, but yeah,
That's
thank
good.
you for pointing that out because I have noticed that with
Great.
the hook for Instagram.
Yeah, and um, yeah, it's cool. It also, like, I gave you a number, 125 characters in
Yeah,
there. It's not like exactly 125 characters. The way it works with the algorithm is they try to find a good breaking point in it. So it
cool.
might be like at 120 characters, maybe it's not going to cut off a word.
Right,
It's going
right.
to like
Okay.
stop at a word to make that happen.
Oh, that's good to know. And then this publish down here, like, can I schedule them
Yeah.
separately? Like if I'm clicking on Instagram and I schedule a time, is that just for Instagram?
So now hit schedule post. All right. So we pick the time that we're going to do it for. And this is going to schedule to both of them at the same time.
Okay.
Yeah. And it's going to publish the different content. So
Right, right.
like it
Okay.
gets it all set up. You pick one time is going to publish to both on, but the content is going to be different, depending on
Different.
how you
Right, right.
customize it,
Okay.
Facebook as Instagram. And then
Cool. Okay. That makes perfect sense. What's this little button?
we're looking, oh, so it gives you,
Oh,
like, if you click
make
the
it
arrow
bigger.
down, yeah, it'll show you like, all right, if it shows up
Oh,
in the mobile, or
cool.
so it gives you some insights into how it's going to look for different
Very
people.
cool. Okay. Facebook, Instagram. Right. Okay. Instagram's just got the one because it looks the same on mobile and desktop. Okay.
Yeah.
Very cool. And so then if I take it that if I unclick this, then it's not going to it's not going to publish anything to Instagram.
Right.
Okay.
Yep.
Which is helpful because sometimes it's like if you're just reminding someone of an event or something.
Yeah. Yeah. Sometimes it doesn't make sense to go to both.
Right.
Sometimes it makes
Okay.
sense to go to both. Or like if you have a call to action, the Facebook one, you can drop a link in, but the Instagram, you're like, link in
Link in
bio.
bio. Yeah.
Yeah. So you're able to customize that.
That's so cool. This looks really good. It doesn't seem confusing. So,
Yeah. The one thing that I see people get hung up on is that left side text. Like if you try to change the left side text again, so if you go back to that left under
yeah.
text, it's gonna erase all of the customization you did on the right side.
Oh,
So
I
like once
see.
you put in the left side, don't go back to the left side, or it's
Don't
gonna
go
erase it.
back. Okay, just
Yeah,
customize. That's a very good thing to know because I'd be like, where did all my stuff go?
yeah. Don't make that
Oh,
mistake because I've
thank
seen too many people
you.
do it.
Oh my God, that's huge.
Yeah, and another thing that's great in this one, if you see down bottom left,
Hmm.
is the location.
Yeah, I was
We'll
just
get to
noticing
that
that.
more in location strategy, but using that's going to be great. And then it publishes it to both.
Yeah, I've noticed lately, I think just on Instagram, for a location, people put in a song now, or say like they're at home. But like if I type in home, it's like something that it's like somewhere in Minnesota, right? So like, can you like come up with your own?
So I haven't seen that before, but in general, strategically, people will use things like the business location. They could
Mhm.
use song. They could use like virtual event. That's
Yeah.
a location that's in the system as well. So there's
Okay.
a bunch of different ways to, yeah, you can see
Yeah, okay.
that they can leverage it, or you could use like your, I mean, this gets a little further down the road where you can say, all right, this is the city that we're based out of. This is the region we're based out of, Pioneer Valley. This is the Western Massachusetts is a location, or the county that we're in is a location as well. So you can
Okay.
use any of those different types of location, and we'll give like a whole strategy based off of that
Cool,
for you in the
cool.
future using location. But it's important to use location because people may not follow your brand, but they follow location. And so
Right.
your content could get served up to them because of the location that they follow.
Yeah, yeah.
One other thing that's a nuance in here, if you go to the Instagram text in that like middle section, where you can do like the @ symbol, like let's say you want to tag somebody in it, you do like @ and Jamie the coach. Like, so
There
you
you
can
go.
boom right there. And then you go to Facebook side, and then you can tag the @ and then COCCO. So
Sweet,
on the
there
third
you
one,
are.
yeah. So you know how when you were sharing it before, like it wouldn't work for both platforms, so it wasn't really utilizing the tags effectively. Well, now you
Right.
can. You can customize the tag for Facebook and the tag for Instagram in
I
here.
love it. So I don't have to like then post and then go and edit my Facebook post to tag everybody because I
Yes.
messed that up earlier in the week. So because I forgot.
Yeah, and
Um,
so this solves that, having that issue.
yes. This is amazing.
Yeah, I told you this business suite for desktop is like, I don't say this often because I think it's overused, but this is like a game changer for
Yeah.
real.
Yeah, this will help me so much, and this will help me want to be on social media more because it's a
Yeah.
struggle for me because like as a person, like I value not having a lot of screen time, but as someone trying to promote my existing and new businesses, it's like I gotta be on there more because I've gone like months without posting, and then it's
Yeah,
like people that I'm not in their mind, you know.
that's true. Anything to help you make it easier, make it more exciting. That's great.
Yeah. Thank you so much. This is so helpful. I appreciate so much.
You got it.
Yeah, your time is super valuable, and this is a gift. So thank you.
You got it. I'm really glad that you're a part of this boot camp course, Tracy. And again, any questions, you can always reach out to me, post in the group, and I will see you live next Wednesday.
Yes, thank you. Have a great week.
You too, and weekend.
Yay. Thanks.
Tracy.
Bye.